Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am so pleased to be back. Honestly, I am. So, I will explain what happened, or will I don't know. I might put it down in the description box to save too much babbling on. But I had a technical problem with my laptop. Hopefully it's all sorted now. Well, half sorted, not fully sorted. So, without further ado, by the way, oh, bless you, that was my dog by the way. Without further ado, if you like this video, please press like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And thank you to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Oh, that was a mouthful. So, today I went into town, specifically to go to the Asian food store. I knew what I wanted, but I thought I'm going to have a look around to see if they've got it in. And, woo! I am so pleased. Look at that, baby. Look at that bad boy right there. We have finally got one. I have been praying that they will get this in. And they finally got it in. And I am so happy. So, just opened it, as you see. I'm going to have some chicken croutons. I'm only having a few. And plus, I am trying for the very first time some kimchi. I've never had it before. Like I said, very first time I'm trying it. I don't know if I'm going to like it or not. It smells very, like, it's got a, it's on my finger. No. I'm just going to have a little drip. Because these just to have a little drip. I don't want, that is. Now according to some peeps, apparently this isn't as hot as the sauce in the packets of noodles. I correct them wrong. It may not be as hot for yous because yous have got a high spice tolerance, but my mouth is currently on fire from a little dab. From a little dab. So, what will I try first? Well, I've already tried that because it fell on my finger. Let's have a try. It's some kimchi. Kimchi, sorry, no kimchi. Kimchi. The only thing is, I don't know if it's that much spicy. No, I think that is spicy. Once you get over the first initial taste, it's actually alright. Not gonna lie. Yeah, it's this what's spicy. Right, let's have a dip. You only need a little dip. I'm not going to go crazy like some of them. Actually, that's not so bad. Not yet. No. Go lie down. That's actually not bad. It's actually bearable. And you would know if I didn't like this, I wouldn't eat it. I suppose this would be nice in fried, like, is it kimchi fried rice? It says on the bottle that you can add it basically in anything you want. So that's what Marisha's going to do. So like I say, this video is totally unplanned, but the whole nearly 2 weeks has been totally unplanned with the laptop. I should have maybe let them cool down a bit. I don't know what's worse, the heatness of this, the heatness of that and the heatness of that combined into one. But that's lovely. I'm so pleased. So pleased I've got it. Little goes a long way. I showed my son the sauce. He wasn't excited. I think fear went through him, to be honest. But it's not that bad. Actually, I've seen it's not that bad. It's actually really nice. It's not like so spicy where my nose is like running mad. It's actually decent. My dog's trying to sleep. My what? my mouth is, and the spiciness of that is like triggering the spice even more. So, thank you. Oh, excuse me. My tongue is on fire. So I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Okay, it's really kicking. When you stop. Oh wow. Woo! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I kind of get my words out because my tongue is literally on fire. I will see you in the next video anyway. Bye!